How to Apply for Student Finance in Bangladesh Step-by-Step Guide. Here is a step-by-step guide to apply for student finance in Bangladesh. Step 1. Gather necessary documents. Ensure you have all required documents ready before starting your application. These typically include national ID card or birth certificate, present passport size photographs, academic transcripts and certificates, proof of admission or enrollment at a recognized institution, bank account details if applicable. Step 2. Visit the official student finance portal. Open your browser and visit the official website of the Ministry of Education or Student Finance Bangladesh portal. This specific website can vary depending on the type of loan or scholarship program. Look for the Apply Now or Student Loan section. Step 3. Register for an account. Create an account using your email address and phone number. Ensure you choose a strong password and store your login details securely. After registration, verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email or phone. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Log into your newly created account. Complete the application form by filling in your personal, academic, and financial details, personal information, name, address, contact details, etc. Academic information, institution name, program of study, current year, and relevant details. Financial information, parent or guardian income, expenses, and any other relevant financial data. Step 5. Upload required documents. Scan and upload all the necessary documents including identification proof, national ID card, birth certificate, academic certificates, O-level, A-level, or HSC equivalent, admission letter or proof of enrollment in a recognized educational institution. Step 6. Review your application. Before submitting, carefully review your application for any errors or missing information. Make sure all uploaded documents are clear and readable. Step 7. Submit the application. Once you have reviewed everything, click on Submit. You'll receive an email or SMS confirming that your application has been successfully submitted. Step 8. Monitor application status. Keep track of your application status by logging into the Student Finance portal. You may be asked to attend an interview or submit additional documents as part of the process. Step 9. Await approval. Once your application is processed, you will be notified whether it has been approved or rejected. If approved, follow the instructions provided for disbursement of funds, which could be directly to your bank account or to your educational institution. Step 10. Start repayment if applicable. If you are applying for a loan as opposed to a scholarship, ensure you understand the repayment terms, interest rates if any, and deadlines for repayment after completing your studies. That's it. You have taken the first step toward unlocking your future with student finance. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and you have just made yours toward your dreams. Keep believing in yourself, because the path to success is built on courage and determination. Never forget, education is the most powerful investment you can make in yourself, and with the right support, you can achieve anything. So go ahead, chase your dreams, and let nothing stop you. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and share this with someone who needs a little magic in their life. Until next time, keep shining, keep believing, and always remember, the best is yet to come.